Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your friends able to interact with your stuff on Bloxburg in your house. So to do that, you're just going to go to the home section, go to permissions and family, select your friend's name, and you can either make them a roommate or co-owner. I'm just going to select roommate for this one, and then I'm just going to select the yes one. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.